So today, guys, it's Sunday, and me and Amelia actually going to the Diamond Head volcano for a walk. Yes, and the boys, all the boys, are going to the pool. So we're gonna take you to the beautiful view. That's what we heard. We're gonna go check it out. So our trail starts here. We're gonna go to this big tunnel, pay $5 per person, and we're gonna start walking. It's so windy in the tunnel. Otherwise it will look like this. So I guess we're gonna go all the way there on the top. If I'm wrong, I will correct myself a little bit later when we get there. So yeah, this is where we're going, up the hill over there, and that's gonna be terrific view. We'll see. It's pretty hot already. So I'm guessing we're halfway there maybe. And there's a huge cactus. Oi! It's rocky here. Hard to step. There's a big cactus. I think we're almost there. I hope. I'm tired and hot. Tired, Amelia?
No, I'm getting tired.
I'm tired, but I think we're almost there. There's a town and there's like little view of the ocean. We're getting to the beautiful view very soon. Let's continue. First viewpoint. Guys, we're gonna go into the little cave. It's busy here too, so. Pick up your glasses. Okay. We're out. I don't know if we're at the finish line. No, not yet. Okay, few minutes break. Whew, I'm dying here. Oh my hat went away. It's already a beautiful view. Let's go. Okay, we're almost there. Just one set of two sets of steps and we're there. Whew, what a walk. Okay guys, we're not there yet, but there's our view so far. Amelia, hold your head. It's already flew one time. She had to go and get. That's on another side of the same trail. How it was yesterday too, right there, you see. I don't mind to have some rain right now, right? So guys, this is a point from the highest point of the Diamond Head. And there's a line. Okay, we'll We just ordered pineapple whip, so waiting on it. Yep. No, just this.
Cheryl here.
What you got? Oh, look at yours. Looks good, huh?
I go.
Yep. How's it? So good? So we're walking down the hill and there's this tree. I think it's pomelos. Oh, I mean, it doesn't wait for me. Better catch up with my daughter. She doesn't want to wait. We are almost next to hotel. We took our shoes off already. Couldn't make it no more walking in the shoes. Amelia! I'm guessing she's tired, guys. Tired?
Yeah.
Did you have fun at least?
It was cool.
Oh, look at those trees. That's the zoo inside there. Maybe we'll go there later with kids. Alright.
Alright, so this is our hotel. We walk from here to here. Here. Thank you.